So I got this a couple weeks ago. I won 1 week on the match game show, and Carnival Cruise Addicts sent this to me. And so now I'm going to open it up and see what it is finally. So I have to figure out, first of all, oh, they taped it this way. Okay. By the way, using my Cutco knife in case I get a freebie off them. So, go down here. Oh, this I was not expecting at all. Look at there, nice coffee mug. Beautiful, thank you. Lanyard. Here's some stickers. And here's a coaster from Cruise Life TV. Thank you, Greg and Michelle. Here's a little note. Boy, I got all sorts of stuff. Oh, look here. Whoops, don't let the note blow away. Couple of clamps, clothespins. And this is very nice. I appreciate it. So, thank you very much. Oh, and by the way, I also got this from Carnival Cruise Addicts a few weeks ago. Again, thanks, Chris and Liz. Take care. I forgot to read the note, so I'm back. This is Randy. Thank you for your continued support. Match Game Live, congratulations on your Faster the Fun prizes. Liz and Chris, CCA, Greg and Michelle, CLTV, and the amazing Scott from Captain Controversy. Again, thank you very much, everybody.